Hi everyone, my name is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'd like to share with you a new and a wonderful tool to convert your text into speech into a natural voiceover with all human voice features like breathe, pauses, emphasize, and etc. Therefore, you can use these generated voices in your projects, whether they are YouTube videos, marketing videos, presentations, audio posts, podcasts, and so on. And on top of that, you can use today's tool for free. And now let me show you this amazing tool. That is Blackify.com. Blackify.com. Here in this amazing tool, you can convert your texts, your paragraphs into a natural voiceover. And here in Blackify.com, you can select from over 400 lifelike voices and from 60 languages. So definitely you can find your voiceover that suits your project, whatever it is. And as I said, here in Blackify, you can use this tool for free because Blackify.com gives you a free plan of 5,000 characters. So you can take this free plan as a free trial, okay? Anyway, just to get started for free and sign up for free. So click over this button, okay, step by step. Here, insert your details. And today I am gonna use a temporary email like that. Copy, back to Blackify. First name like Raymond, last name, email address, password, terms and conditions. I am not a robot. Create account. Simply. It sends you a verification message, so go back to your inbox, activate your account, and copy this link, copy, open here, paste, sign in again, remember me, and sign in. And now we are on the dashboard of your account on Blackify.com to convert your articles, your texts into a natural voiceover. And here on Blackify.com, one of the best things here on this awesome website, you can turn any document to a speech, to a voiceover. So you can just here upload a document like PDF and you can turn it to a voiceover, and instead of copying all paragraphs and the entire article. But first of all, you have to select your voiceovers that you can use in your upcoming projects. So let's go to this one, my voice, okay, click over that. And here you can select your favorite voiceovers according accents, gender, and so on. So you can select from gender, male, female, languages with different accents, Arabic, Japanese, Portuguese, Spanish, German, Greek, as you see here. Okay, so we can try quickly English for the United States, as you see, perfect. And here we can select some of these beautiful voices, and of course you can test your voiceover by clicking over this play icon like this one.
Hi, my name is Ivy.
Hi,
Joanna,
my name is Joanna.
Joy,
Hi, my name is Joey.
Eric.
With cloud machine learning, your application interprets images,
Okay.
texts, and more.
So we can select, for example, Kendra, and add a favorite voiceover like this way. Okay, and second page. Okay, and now go to this one, document to speech. And as I said, here you can upload your document in different formats like PDF, doc, and docs. Okay, and therefore this website extracts the text found on your document and ready to be converted to your voiceover. So let's select a file from here, choose a file like this one, text to speech, upload document. Simply, as you see here, it grabs the text found on your document. Okay, and then you can select your voiceover you like, like Cortez or Benjamin or Kendra. So we can try Cortez. Click over this button.
How to promote Zazzle products on Pinterest. Don't you know how you can promote your Zazzle store on Pinterest to get traffic and sales? Thus, you are lucky to find this full tutorial to promote Zazzle products on Pinterest professionally. Okay?
As you see here, you will find here some pauses, breathe, and questions and so on, okay, as a natural voice over. And of course, you can add some here volume, like you can make it soft, loud, and medium, or you can change its speed, slow, medium, fast, or you can change its pitch like low, medium, and high, and so on. And of course here you can add some pauses like 1 second and parts of seconds, okay, as you see. Perfect. Okay, and of course we can add here your text to speech. So let's remove this one. And now how to download this voice over to your device. Firstly, you have to give a title to this voice over, okay, like this one, okay, and now convert to speech. Click over that. Just a few seconds. As you see, your voiceover ready to be downloaded. So click over this icon. That's it, okay. So let's open it.
How to promote Zazzle products on Pinterest. Don't you know how you can promote your Zazzle store?
Perfect. And now you will find this part, my music. Here, if you want to add a music background to this voiceover, simply add a title, okay, and select your voiceovers that you have generated previously, like this one, okay, and here you can upload your background music, okay. So we can try, for example, decrease this volume, okay, perfect, and apply background to this voiceover track, as you see here. So let's open it.
How to promote Zazzle products on Pinterest. Don't you know how you can promote your Zazzle store on Pinterest?
Okay. And if you like Blackify.com to convert your text to voiceover, and if you need a large amount of characters or unlimited characters to make audiobooks or podcasts, so you have got to upgrade your account. So let's have a look at pricing plans on Blackify.com. Here you will find these plans like light, commercial rights, okay, 1 million character, and pro unlimited, and elite. And of course, a great offer from appsomo.com. Here you can purchase this Blackify.com tool lifetime license. It's one-time payment deal just for $67, as you see. Perfect. Here you will find unlimited characters, unlimited storage, multi-voice, background music, and the full commercial rights, okay, as you see, and some beautiful reviews. So if you want Blackify.com to use in your projects like YouTube videos, marketing videos, and podcasts and audiobooks, so you have grabbed this offer from appsomo.com just for $67, and I will leave this link below in the first comment. And to that end, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.